Hi, this is Julia Yacenda in place of Irina for Geek Entertainment TV, and I'm here at Onomy Labs launch party for their newest interactive, the GeoConnectTable. And I'm here with Dale MacDonald, one of the founders, CEO, software director, god of everything Onomy. So what is this cool interactive?
So this is a global dataset viewer on a tabletop. And the table has been instrumented to spin for zooming, and let's not zoom in on that, and to tilt to pan around the map data. So then we're using various public sources of data, although we also have 15-meter Landsat data from Terracolor for the whole globe, or for all the land parts of the globe. And then in the US, we have a wide variety of public domain data ranging from 2 meters per pixel down to 6 inches.
How does this work and why does it exist?
This is running on an engine from a company called Churchill Navigation. It maps the various photographic data sets onto a sphere, 24,000 miles around, oddly enough. But it's also done all as 3D objects, so it happens very fast. It actually uses the graphics card to do all the rendering, where most photographic engines is all just 2D data and just coming straight out of memory. So this grew out of research we have done over a number of years of sort of body scale interaction, things where you really engage your body with data. We're working on tilting interfaces, and as well as notions with credit to Seinfeld of what happens when your coffee table is a coffee table book and vice versa. So we thought about putting things on a table and what makes a lot of sense to do that with. We really found a sweet spot in moving large image sets around, and the best and certainly most popular large image sets these days are geographic. It turns out there's a lot of meaningful interaction to be done with just X and Y tilt and zoom or spin. We also make a square version of it which twists just a little displacement rather than a full spin. We've found various markets for these. One is trade shows for very global corporations to be able to show, to put push pins and that sort of thing in for where all their locations are, or in the case of the petroleum industry, we've done things where we overlay pipeline data.
And this is Red, the reading eye dog, and this is Scott Minneman, who developed it. Do you want to tell us a little bit about it?
Sure. Red is a piece we did to try and explain what machine reading was. Hollywood set the bar really high for humanoid robots. C-3PO knows 6,000 languages, never makes a mistake. But then we settled on a dog, because a dog, even if it does make mistakes, it's still the smartest dog in the world. It's reading. So he has video cameras for eyes. He stitches the images from his 2 eyes together to make one big page, and then binarizes that image, runs optical character recognition, and sends it to a speech synthesizer.
Woof, 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 who let the dogs out? Woof, woof, woot, woof, who let the dogs out? Woof, woof, woot, F, woof, 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 when the party was nice, the party W5 jumping, yippee, yi, yo, and everybody having the ball, ha, ho, yippee a 0, I tell the fellas ST, the name Kylan, yippee I 0, and the girls report to the call, the poor dog showdown, who let the dogs out?